What if I told you that by mastering 5 skills, you could transform your strength, balance, and control? Hi everyone, if you don't know me, this is Nisha, a calisthenics athlete, and I welcome you all to the Beginner Calisthenics series. In today's series, I'll guide you through 5 beginner-friendly skills, step by step, with progressions for every level. So let's dive right into it. We'll start with L-sit. L-sit is an iconic calisthenic move that strengthens your core, hip flexors, and shoulders. Let's break it down. Sit with your legs bent, feet flat, and hands by your sides. Press your hands into the ground and lift your hips slightly. This helps you get used to engaging your core and supporting your body weight. Now slowly extend one leg forward while keeping the other bent. Alternate legs to build strength and stability. Now lift your feet and tuck your knees to your chest. This progression mimics L-sit position but makes it easier by keeping your knees bent. Now extend one leg while keeping the other tucked and gradually increase hold times. Once you feel the hold is strong enough, extend both legs fully while maintaining a straight body. And here's your full L-sit. Tips for success. Keep your shoulders down and core tight. And of course, you can use yoga blocks if doing this on the ground for extra height. And this can be your end goal, the V-sit. Now it's time for the headstand. It builds shoulder strength, balance, and confidence with inversions. Let's take it one step at a time. Start with placing your elbows shoulder width apart. Interlock your fingers for stability. Keep the crown of the head on the floor or the mat and walk forward with your feet until your back is straight. From this position, lift your knees into a tuck and hold. Use the wall if necessary. Once comfortable, try lifting your legs straight without wall support. Tips for success. Engage your core to prevent wobbling. Keep your shoulders active and avoid putting too much pressure on your neck. Great. And come down slowly. Now, the elbow lever. It looks impressive and it builds wrist, arm, and core strength. Let's break it down. Place your elbows on your waist. Rotate your wrist to create a nice balance. Lean forward and try to find your balance. Practice on a yoga block or a bench to make balancing easier. Now, from here, keep your knees bent and lift one leg at a time. Once you feel comfortable here, slowly extend one leg fully and the other. And with this, you got your first lever unlocked. Tips for success. Avoid leaning too quickly. Find your balance point first and then squeeze your core and glutes to stay stable. Now let's talk about the crow or the frog stand. The frog or crow stand is a great addition to arm balances, wrist strengthening, balance, and core control. Squat with your hands flat on the floor. Practice resting your knees on your triceps without lifting your feet. Now from here, lift one foot off the ground while keeping the other foot down for balance and alternate these. Once you feel comfortable, lift both feet off the ground while keeping your knees tucked. Straighten your body slightly while maintaining bent arms and knees on triceps. Tips for success. Keep your gaze slightly ahead, not down. Practice wrist stretches before and after. A pistol squat. It is a one-legged squat that builds leg strength, balance, and mobility. It's a true test of your lower body control. Take support of a wall, stand on one leg, then slowly lower yourself down to the ground. You can also use a support like this to help with balance. The focus here is on slow control movements. You can also use a small weight for counterbalance. Extend your arms straight in front of you as you squat down. This helps you maintain a balanced position. Tips for success. Keep your core tight.
Practice ankle mobility and hip flexibility to achieve a full range of motion.
These 5 skills are foundation for anyone starting with calisthenics. Progress takes time. Focus on mastering regressions before advancing. Let me know which skill you're most excited to try in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that bell notification so that you don't miss out on the next video. It was amazing having you guys here. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next video. Take care.